Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dava Manggala Putra. I am from class 63.1B.37, majoring in accounting. The topic I'll discuss this time is smoking in campus area. As we know, smoking is one of the main causes of serious health problems, such as lung cancer, heart disease, and respiratory infection. But what's even worse is that smoking doesn't only harm the smoker, it also affects everyone nearby through secondhand smoke. Many of our friends and lecturers who do not smoke are still forced to breathe the same polluted air, and that is unfair. Our campus is a place for learning, growing, and creating a better future. It should be a healthy environment where everyone feels safe and comfortable. That is why we must support the rule that bans smoking in campus areas. This rule is not meant to punish smokers, but to protect the health and comfort of everyone. By keeping our campus smoke free, we show respect for others, protect your health, and set a good example for our community. Let's work together to make our campus a clean, healthy, and smoke free environment. Thank you. And next, I will explain about question words. What are question words? Question words are used to ask for information which the other person must provide a clear answer to. In English, they are also known as open questions. What is included in the question words? What, where, why, when, which, who, whom, was, and how. What used to ask about things. For example, what are you doing? What is your name? What do you think about the movie? Where used to ask about places or locations. For example, where do you live? Where are you going? Where is my phone? Why? This question word function as a reason. For example, why do you love me? Why are you crying? Why did you come late? When used to ask about the time of something. For example, when do you finish collect? When is your birthday? When does the taxi arrive? Which used to ask about choice. For example, which color do you want? Which way is the library? Which car do you want to buy? Who used to ask about people. For example, who are you? Who is your girlfriend? Who is your best friend? Whom used to ask about the person who has the status of subject. For example, whom did you see in the morning? Whom has Teddy talking to? Whom will you marry? Whose used to ask about possession. For example, whose are these novels? Whose car is that? Whose phone is this? How used to ask about manner or process, condition, and quality. For example, How can you explain this problem? How was your exam? How are you feeling? Sentence structure 1. Question word with auxiliary verb. Question verb plus auxiliary verb to be, do, are, have plus subject plus main verb. For example, when are you leaving? Where do you live? What have the decided? 2. Question word with modal verb. Question word plus modal verb plus subject plus main verb. For example, who would he stay with? What should I do? Why should we read books? 3. Interrogative sentence without auxiliary or modal verb. Question word plus main verb. For example, who won the game? Whose phone rang? Who bought this? Question word combination. Common combination with how. How many? How much? How long? How far? How often? How old? Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Forgetting the auxiliary verb. Incorrect. Where do you live? Correct. Where do you live? 2. Wrong word order. Incorrect. Where live your brother? Correct. Where does your brother live? Tips for using questions word. Choose the appropriate question word. Remember proper word order. Use correct auxiliary verb. Practice regularly. Real life applications. Social conversation, academic discussion, professional communication, travel situation, and daily interaction. Thank you.